I think that's a very open-ended question because it's a number to get a percentage. But I think the majority of the work that we've achieved is through getting, the first phase of getting the materials behind me. You can see a lot of material has come out behind me. You can see the whole area of the bridge that's being, is being built. And as we left bridge number 5 to bridge number 7, extensively a lot of work has been done. And to be honest, it takes a lot to prepare than to actual make the actual. People always talk about the actual roadways just when they drive on it, but it takes us probably 98% of the work to get the effort to get to that, and that 2%, a very small percent, to actually put a road on top of it. So there's been a lot of preliminary work that has already been done, and it's not justifiable to put it in a percentage because the results always get skewed.